Have you heard the news? The brood X cicadas have arrived here in the North Georgia mountains. They are making their way out of the ground through these holes here, emerging from those exoskeletons and completing their one sole mission, finding the perfect mate to make more baby cicadas. The process is quite interesting and fascinating to observe. How can this animal that has lived underground for 17 years undergo such a mesmerizing transformation? Join me and you will see the wonders of nature right before your eyes. From that cicada larva emerging from its shell, going from a beautiful white to that dark color, and that beautiful sound they make when they're looking for their mate. No, it is the guys that sing. Here we have already found a cicada larva that has just came out and is preparing to come out of that exoskeleton. As soon as they come out, they climb up to the first tree or object that they can find, get a tight grip, and prepare to come out of that shell which they have been in for 17 years. Pretty amazing, right? And interestingly, you can see the white just beneath the shell. The transformation is quite quick, and all that you see left behind are these shells. Have you ever looked at one of these up close? They are quite insightful, as you can see every detail of the body. Some, however, are unable to make it all the way out, but the ones that do are beautiful and majestic, just as this one. Following their emergence, their wings are really small and wrinkled. However, as the blood starts pumping into the wings, they begin growing in size. From what originally was roughly the size of maybe 2 erasers put together, turns out to be as big as your pinky. So it is a miracle and a natural wonder to see the cicada and how fascinating its transformation truly is. Finding this white one was one of my goals. I mean, look at it. You have the emergence of the shell and a natural wonder. Those beady red eyes are a signature key to the brood X cicadas. They're quite vibrant, and I'm just fascinated with those wings. You can already see them growing in size. They are very weak and fragile at this state, so they have to hang on a limb for a while, unless they lose grip and fall, until their bodies are hardened. No longer are they bound by that exoskeleton, but now they are free to maneuver as they please. And there you have it, the miraculous wonders of nature. This creature went from being a larva to coming out of its exoskeleton, turning into this beauty that makes a lot of noise, which most of us hate, but I find soothing. Getting that beautiful white body, and then finding that mate, creating another generation of cicadas, which will go down and emerge in 17 years. Amazing. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.